And we're back. The collections are filled up. 27 references we have. One I put as a draft because it's a reference 2 times for the same company, which doesn't really work because on the page, where is it? Here. We have a link behind the logo, so that cannot link to 2 different pages at the same time. So I need to rearrange that a bit. And what else can I say? I think I added a field here and there. We have a short and a long quote I discovered. And I turned these 2 into rich text fields. And I also discovered that there was like a byline to the brand sometimes, like when the company has changed their name in the meantime. So that I have added. And then in staff members, I added a listing order number. And that's it, I think, yeah. And then here we have the 5 pages. So yeah, we can start building. The boring work is done. So remember that we had this page created already, business strategy. I moved it up so it's here instead of below the style sheets. And so that is for, let me see, for this page. So we have a different kind of hero, which we want to use everywhere. So we'll turn it into another component. And here we have an accordion thing, which we're going to use on 3 pages. So this one and 2 more pages. So also turn that into an what's it called? A component. We have the love of our lives, a slider. And I saw that they sometimes have like 14 quotes, 14 different ones here. So I think we need to like randomize the selection a bit there, because otherwise who in Gold's name is gonna sit around to see all 15 quotes. And this is then one that comes out of the stuff. So this comes out of the references, this comes out of the stuff, and of course we have the same footer. And wonder if it's worth it to copy this one. Yeah, maybe. Okay. So this page that we're now going to build is actually, we're gonna use it 3 times. These pages are 3 times the same. So I'm still wondering if I shouldn't turn it into collection, but well. So let's just turn it into a headline and turn this into what should we call this? I have it. I'm gonna have to switch it around. What is this? I don't know. Title? Title. But actually, oh, okay, let's just leave it like that. Oh, so select this. Okay. And then this is position relative. This is hero gradient home. So this is gonna be hero gradient. Well, not home, everywhere else. So let's just call it hero gradient. Then this is fine. container. I think I'm gonna spacing. I'm gonna use 2 of those. 413 that they use. Well, actually, I can just wait. I'm just gonna use this. Oh, this one twice, and then this probably at the bottom. No, the bottom is much less. 64. Oh, so the bottom is spacing L. Okay, this is no longer gonna be centered. This is now actually our H1. And this is also no longer anything like that. Okay, and this we could actually use the one with a little line in front. This so, and this is then white. This doesn't take it over because the dash has been created after white has been created. So, but anyways, so this was the title I said. Okay, so like that we have the general thing, and then the hero gradient. I'm just gonna copy it from how it looks, because for sure you can have a look here. I mean, look, it's linear gradient, and then all kinds of la nonsense. So it would be nice if at some point we have gradients that stay inside the box. So this is black. How is it? 60. And this is black 0. All the way around, please. And then 187. Okay, let's see. How it's still all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. Okay, goes there. I think we could to have it more like this. So, okay, that looks fine. And then we have here nothing yet. So this is this one. And we turn it into hero. And this is title. And this is heading. Let's just and then here we have somewhere the photo. And this is image. Anything else? No. Okay. And let's make this heading. Okay. So that's that section done. Then here we have the intro. Okay, let's put the text in. Place image. Let's see. Image with 3 rocks on top of each other. There we go. Looks a lot darker, eh? Does look a lot darker. Let's change this. This is a lot darker. I think I need to make it less transparent because of it going outside of the frame. Yeah, this is better. Okay, then we have here, we don't have bold type here. Okay, that is not. Oh, wait, wait. Why didn't this change? Ah, this is too bold. Here's where it should be. We don't have any breaks or anything. Okay. Okay, and then we have here an accordion, which is kind of the same setup as this, but it functions differently. So what do? I'm gonna mix and match a bit. It's also the same background color. So and I actually also have in the pre-built components here, I also have an accordion section. So I'm just gonna use this. The custom code I no longer need. I have to see what I do here. I mean, these are now links, so I'm gonna, well, let's just throw this in here. This is the accordion. So, let's see. So we click on this whole thing and then it rolls out. So this should become like this one, which is pretty okay, except I want it to be in the top. Is that the case? No, can be. It can stay the same. Here we have an M space and another M space. So we're gonna do the same in the sense that I have to think a bit. We're gonna more or less do the same. M, right? And then according to title, this should actually be a row. So gonna copy this function. I have to think. What did I do? Because I'm gonna put this in a column and that in a column and that and this in another column, and so I need this to act pretty much like a row. This we don't need. This we don't need. This we don't need. This we don't need. Yeah, I'm gonna have to let this function like a row. So what I need is to say margin left. Oh, I didn't copy it. No, you know what? I'm gonna just put a row inside here. That's a bit cleaner, I guess. So actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this row inside it. Like so. And this can go. And this I need to change for a different one. But we get the idea. And then this is actually also gonna be in a row, but with this not, and not with this, but this, yes, and this can go away, this can go away, and this we made text L. Right, and then this can go, and this can go. Something weird with the rows. Ever since this has changed, something with the rows, with with this thing has changed. I don't know what happened to it. Sometimes it just, before it didn't work like that, and now it does. Accordion title. So this is actually the thing that people are going to click on. So it would be nice It would be nice if the white space is part of that. So that means I'm just gonna keep it like that. And then I'm gonna stick this in there. And then the question is how much space is in between here? 16. Oh, it's this one, of course. Copy. Okay. Okay, and then here we're gonna put 1 pixel. Gray. And then this can go. I think this is sort of okay. And here, I'm gonna take this away. This thing is 75 by 75. It's of course not white. How big was this? That's a bit weird. How big was that? I'll use the same size. Oh. Okay, let's use the same size. And in that we have a line and a line. I just wait. I want to use the same accordion icon. Just gonna make a div. Why not? Accordion icon. And that is 37 by 2. No, by 2 pixels. So, okay. And this is gray. This one is rotated. Okay. So that looks okay. And then this is our click. Oh, actually, is this? Yeah, this is okay. So this is our click interaction. Probably we have now duplicate interactions here. No, I didn't duplicate it. Okay, but I need to change some things here because things have changed. Accordion content, it's not a sibling, but it is now a child. An accordion icon rotated plus change the background color. .5 ease out. Okay. That looks good. And accordion close. Like normally why it was outside it in the template that I used, or in the component that I used, is because sometimes you have like a link in here, and then if it's in it, you cannot click the link because it will trigger it to close. But in this case, I don't think we have any links in it, so it's fine to do it like this. And it's in this case a bit easier with the spacings around it. So here we have the same thing, that this is now child. I can rotate, goes back, and then that, and then here's also the background color that needs to go back to gray, and I guess sees out. Yep. Okay, let's see if this is indeed it should be. Yes. Okay. And then we have 3, 4, 5 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5. Need to get the text out of the Excel sheet for the other accordion content. Okay, see if I can find that. Home page. Then I mark my own. Yeah, this is it. I hope I'm not gonna indeed find a link in it. No, I'm pretty sure there isn't. It's not really future-proof of me to build it like this, but I think it's okay in this case. Okay. The last one. Okay, that's that section done, but like I said, we're going to use it on 2 more pages. So again, let's turn it into a component. I never know how to write accordion, if it's accordion or accordion. Potato, potato. Dion. Okay. Accordion section. Okay, then here we have again the props. Not what are they called? Yeah, properties, right? So this is title. This is heading. And this is one heading. This is one text. This is two heading. Two text. Three heading. Three text. Four heading. Four text. Five heading. And five text. Now, of course, they're not all gonna have five. They're gonna have for sure two, because otherwise, why the hell make an accordion? So visibility. 3 visibility. Item. 4 visibility. And 5 visibility. Okay. Great. Then what is next? For the love of God. Freaking slider. Yes. Let the fun commence. Gonna start with copying this thing. So this is a slider that comes out of CMS. Are we happy with that? No, not really. no background color. 64 in between. Okay, we need this in a row. No, not really. Now, I'm one of the few people, I think, that still uses the native slider. Deal with it. Slider, slider, auto, because it says auto, but it's not auto. Slider, ask, slider, arrow, slider, actually arrow, should make this arrow. Oh, what happened? I should make this arrow wrapper. And here, of course, we have slide. Okay. This doesn't have any color. This is 41.86 width. I think we can agree that that should be 40. And in that we put a div. This can go. And we call that slider arrow. And that is 40 by 40. And this is actually flex centered. And this is background. Text color white, background black. That doesn't make much sense. Okay. And then in this we put, we copy our little arrow thingy. Where are we? Oh. Okay, and that little arrow is 12 by 10. And we say slider, arrow, icon. What did I say? 12 by 10. And then of course this we also make flex. Copy, paste. Rotate it. Okay. this could be done with custom code. But like I said, I prefer to use regular. Oh, that's weird. Oh no, it's not weird. This is just getting squashed. On this I don't want to get squashed. Okay. So that is the slider done. And now what we're gonna need is a collection list for the content of that slider. And this links to the references. Okay, let's see, there's a logo there. We have the quote. So that's all stacked under each other, so that can just be in a div. And then in a row, we put the photo with the text next to it and the button. And then I think we are smoking. What I need here, I need still some space actually. Because this has one column space on each side. Or, no, I can just do that in here. Okay, just do that in here. Okay, div is a row, div is a column, column is one, paste, paste, and that's the content. Then in here, let's see, is there any, there's nothing above or below it, okay. Then in here, we have a div, which is gonna be slider, logo, wrapper. It can just be the slider logo. That should be okay. Slider logo. And then the question is, of course, always, what is the size of the logo? Because it's always tricky to have 200 different logos. Because here we have a logo that's supposed to be this size. But here we have a logo that's supposed to be able to go this high. And this one is actually probably as high as this, but not as long as this. So, what are we gonna do? And also so fine that you cannot get to this fucking Figma crap. So this is 70 and this is 150. So 150 minus 70 is 30 plus 50 is 80. Max height 80. diagram. Yeah, max width is this width. I mean, I don't know how Adidas is gonna be, but it's gonna be very big Adidas. Like, okay, you have a ruler, why can't you just use the ruler? You know, it's like so stupid. Did you say 200? Okay, image. And then the placeholder. No, choose image. No, here. Logo. What happened here? Oh. Okay. That was a weird little bug. And this is image contain. And I sometimes have problems with contain should contain. You know, it should be that it doesn't stick out of the box, right? I don't understand why. Like, I don't understand why it really doesn't contain anything. Maybe I should just say slider. I'll go to this then. And then I call this wrapper anyways. Should I call the wrapper? No, it's not even needed. Just take it away. Okay, just like that. And then alt text can be the brand name. Yeah, it's a lot of. I mean, look at this, it's ridiculous. I wonder if there's like a way that you could say, like, okay, if it is. I don't know. If it is this big, it should not be a bit higher than that. I guess the only way to do it is to just have white space around it. I mean, look at this. This is like super small. Damn ugly as well, by the way. And this is way too small. Yeah, that's also because this logo is just crap. SSM. Where is it? Oh, I'm gonna just leave this for now. This needs to be filtered. Filter by connected services contains this one. Yeah, I mean, this is just ridiculous. have to make it less high. Just like this then. I have to go over all these logos. So I'll do that at a different time. But the height, probably 3 is big enough. And still we have like these things that are just so crazy big. I wonder what they have done with this. Or is it just... No, it happens to be black. Okay, let's just leave it at that. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing. 56. This is more than enough. Okay, and then put this in a row, in a row with no gap, no gutter, I mean. And we need where's my cursor? And we need these things. I'm gonna copy this one. They are a bit bigger. Whoa. Fucking Figma crap. Oh my god. I want the big ones. Just because it might be nicer. Oh. Okay. Slider quote icon. So it is called quotation marks. That's what they are, anyways. Whoa. Quote icon. And the quote icon is... Oh, no. The quote icon is... Wait. And the size of the quote icon is 28 by 28. Okay, great. And then we have some space in between here. Well, I don't need to do that. I can just add it to here. How much? 22. And then text. And dit is quote short. And I don't want this to wrap. And the size of quote short is font size 28. Holy moly. That is new. No, that is page 4 actually. But I'm not going to use this as an H4. Doesn't make any sense. So adding S. Touche. Very big. I need to filter this also, because there are companies that actually don't even have short quote. And matching all filters, yes. And this should not get smaller. And then in between here is another space, slightly smaller than the other, like that. And there we have a row, and in that row we have a column, and we have another column. And that column only holds a button. So let's say 3. And the button is exactly the same as this one. It's dark for some reason. Oh, where are we? Here. I am. And that should be, what should that be? Horizontal. And it should be and this and that. And then this is the text. And it should link to, no, it should link to the current reference. And then here we have an image. And I see that that is black and white, and I think it's probably everywhere black and white. So I have to put a filter on that. Okay, and the size it's 70 by 69. Another wonderful winning size. Are these the same size everywhere? Probably. That's all slider. Here. That's the same as this one. So I should actually not call that with a slider reference in it. This is quote image. Quote icon small. Okay. quote image, and that is 70 by 70. And then it's fully round. And then inside that is an image, which is gonna be portrait photo 1. And should be image cover. Ah, lovely. Okay. Image black and white. Filter. Grayscale. And then space 24. And then we get a div. This is horizontal center. Div has a text, and there's another text, and there's another text. This is gonna be wait. This is gonna be name. This is gonna be subtitle, and the one in the bottom is gonna be a standard text. So this is gonna be 18, so that's normal, and then it's it's called bold, medium, regular. And I guess this is light, also normal, 18, and this is 14. So this is 14 is text, so small. And we want it 400 is normal, yeah. This is actually medium. And this is regular. Okay. And then let me see how it looks when we have 3 guys. Right. Okay. Then let's not. Oh, I lost Figma. Let's not. This. Let's make it 8. Then this is portrait image 2, and this is portrait image 3, and set, save, no, set, for this one. Oh. If portrait image 3 is set, we want to see it. This one we want to see. Go away with your custom attributes. This we want to see if portrait image 2 is set. And this we want to see if portrait image 1 is set. But I need another little spacer, smallest that we have, to go here, and that is also only visible when image 1 is set, because here we don't have it. I think that's it. These logos I have to figure out how to do it. I'm thinking I need to add white space with these ones so that they don't become too high. And here I need to take white space away, but well, I do that when we are not here running the video. Okay, so that is done. We need to integrate, of course, FinSuite attributes. CMS slider, copy, and it's gonna. I forgot. I always forget these things. It's like never get used to how it works. List. I want this collection list to be the dynamic content for the slider. Thank you very much. So that should be on the list. And then I want this slider component to display the dynamic content. So that should be on the slider. And that's it, right? That's it. Okay. And then I'm gonna wrap this in a little div. Oh, and call it collection hidden. Make it 0 pixels high, and like that. I do this so that we don't have what's it called? There's a name for it. Anyways, that the layout, that the page becomes less high when the script loads and suddenly it pops out the collection. So like that. And also what is nice, that then the client doesn't see this if they ever go into the thing. Should we check if it works? Sure, let's check if it works. And now we still get that it's like going up and down, I guess, because the content differs. Wonderful, amazing. Okay, then we have one final element. Okay, should I make this? No, not gonna make this, and I'm not gonna make this slider into a component. Can't be bothered with that. And then we have one last section, and this has the background dark. So 200. Let's just copy these over. Container, of course. Div, row, column. What else is new? And how many columns do I need? I need, well, I see that we don't stick the column size, so this is 3. I'm going to put 1 in between it, and then the third column. So paste, paste. This is hello. This is 3. This. One. And it. Whoa. Okay. I already thought my shortcut isn't working. Let's take this away. Okay. Let's see when was the last time it was saved. Okay, it's not that long ago. Row. Yes, went wrong. 1, no. 3. 1. And that's it. And this is actually coming out of out of a collection. So what should I do? Should I turn this whole thing inside a collection or here? Probably here, right? Doesn't really matter. Let's put it here. And this is the collection staff members. And it is filtered by, let's see, service quote 4 contains business strategy. Save. Yep. Nice. So in that we can throw this. Thank you very much. And then here we have div with rounded radius. And inside that we have an image with this cover, and that image, oh no, that image is, and that's a book. That's a book, guys. That image is this. And it's even the same person as there. Wow. Okay, nice. And then here we use the same quotation marks again. Where were they? Were they in the collection? Yes, they were in the collection. And by the way, I do it like this: collection hidden, and then 0, and then overflow hidden. Because if you actually hide the collection, then sometimes these things from FinSuite don't work. So like this, I know like, okay, it's gonna work. I'm not sure when they don't work. I think with filters they don't work, or with search they don't work, or with this they don't work. But can't be bothered to figure out with what they don't work, so that's why I do it like this. Collection hidden and then 0 pixel height and no overflow, because then it's always working. Quotation icon. Thank you. And this quotation icon is large, but let's call it medium. And it is 50 by 50. Whoa, it's actually square. Cool. Right. And then we have a little space. And then we have a text. I don't think it is a rich text, but I'm not entirely sure. Source code, no, that's a normal text. Okay. Actually, I think it's good to put another one here. And I find this way too big. Sometimes I am stepping on the designer's toes. Okay, that looks fine. Then here we have text for the name. Then we have text for that. And then I'm just gonna copy this, put it in there, copy this, put it in there. No, that's not allowed. Put it in there. Thank you. And this is her name. So that is name. And this is her job title. And this is her email. And this is her phone number. And the link here. And the link here is that. And the link here is that. Okay, that's kind of done. Not really, of course, I need to style it still. But this is 18, so this is medium again. Oh, this is probably big again, right? This is 20, this should be L. Text L. This should be medium. This should be regular. This should be normal, I think. It's bigger. And it's light, okay. So this should be text L. And this should be text L. And here, this is okay. Just gonna put it in another thing. Another what? In another thing. Row. No. Gutter. See how that looks. Okay. And then a little space. 24. is XS, so that's correct. And these are also smaller. Oh my god. 25 by 39. let us say 25 by 39. And I think this space is also less. Yeah. Okay, and this I'm not sure what I need. Yeah, that like that. It just scales up. And I think with that we are done. Now we can see we can probably already do this. Oh, just take that away. This looks okay. Except I think it's better if it's the top. Like so. It's kind of ugly, yeah? Yeah, because I think I need to have this centered. But the problem is that yeah, there's a space here. Do I need it? I think it should be here actually. Would have been handy to have done this before I duplicated it. Is this now okay? Let me see. Yeah, right. Not sure. I think I should put that little space actually here. Yeah. Yeah, that's correct. It should be there. Because you only want to see it when the accordion is actually folded open. So it should be like that. And then still, this is okay. And this we can take out, I think. Because I don't think we're gonna put the plus in the same manner as the arrow. So this won't have it centered. Let me see how it looks here now. Yeah, now it's nice. Should this be top or centered? I think the plus centered makes sense. But this should probably stay in the top. Yeah, right. So only this one. Center. Okay. And this is then fine. Okay. And then here, here we can have this one hidden, and this one too. And this probably 4. And this can be under each other, vertical, and no gap. Maybe yes gap, but not this. Why is the gap so huge? I think it's gonna have no gap either. Yeah, just like that. Okay, are we happy with that? Probably just got to look at this one. It's fine, right? And then mobile. I think this should just remain like that. I really don't like it when this doesn't make sense. It should be like this. Oh. It's okay, right? Just like that. Yeah, and here things of course get a bit cramped. Is there a mobile design for the slider? No. So I think what we need to do here is move the arrows out of the way. And since here we have a logo, I think it's fine to put them in that corner. Settings, style, go there. this goes there, but oh wait, slider, arrow, wrapper, left. That looks fine to me. So then we have a bit more space, because then this one can be hidden and this one too. Okay. I'm gonna leave this like that. And then here, I think we need to make it vertical. Oh, here's also something that can be hidden. This is okay. And then when we have 3, should I already do it here maybe? Ah, there's the button in there. Okay, now we should not have this hidden. Then we should this actually be, how is that here? Yeah, the button is already gone. Here the button is also gone. Ah, it's because the button has a class. Okay, this is fine. Here it's already not a fit anymore. So already here we can say, well, yeah, no, it's not nice. Here we can say vertical. No, vertical I said. Right. This can be 12. Okay, that looks good. And then here we also have to make it vertical. And start. Start. This doesn't do anything. Now I don't know which one it is. Is it justify or is it align? I wish I still had my old menu here. Oh my god. And then I put these. Just to have these 3. It's like so stupid. There's only one that has 3. The other way. It's fine. Okay, that's okay. And then this can be 12. Because it's fine if it's square. This to me makes no sense. Okay, done. And we only need to go back here and make this collection hidden again. Publish. So that's that. First page done. I'm gonna duplicate these and then put in the other content, but I will not bother you with that. I will get back to you when I start making this one, which has a different layout. And then probably at the same session, we also build this one. Again, from the same chapter, but just with a different layout. Okay, great. Till the next one.